All right, now we're looking at problem 3 from lesson 6-2. It says using systems of equations. A snack bar sells 2 sizes of snack packs. A large snack pack is $5 and a small pack is $3. And one day the snack bar sells 60 snack packs for a total of $220. How many small snack packs did the snack bar sell? Oh, that was a tongue twister. So step 1, write a system of equations. So we can let x equals the number of large $5 snack packs and y equals the number of small $3 snack packs. So we know that x plus y equals 60 because they told us the snack bar sells 60 snack packs. And we know 5x plus 3y, because these are the amounts that they cost, will equal 220 because that was the total amount we sold. So now I can use my system of equations. I can solve my system of equations. And so the first thing they did, they solved for y. They want to find the small snack pack, and y is a small snack pack. So that makes sense. So they have y equals 6 minus x. All right. So they put in y equals 60 minus x, and then they plug this into their second equation, for where y is. So I have 5x plus 3 times 60 minus x instead of a y equals 220. And then I distribute it, and I have 5x plus 180 equals 3x equals 220. And I get, when I subtract 180 from both sides and I combine my like terms, I get 2x equals 40. Divide both sides by 2, and I get 20. And so x equals 20. Not what we're looking for, because that is the large snack pack. We want to find the small. So we're going to plug in this, we're going to substitute this x back in, doesn't matter which one. Looks like they chose the one that I would have chose, which is the easier one because it has the less coefficients to deal with. So I put they put 20 plus y equals 60, and they subtract this 20 from both sides and get y equals 40. So the system solution is 20 and 40, right? But I don't think they even asked us for the solution. Did they ask us for a solution? Nope, they asked us how many small. And so they sold 40 small snack packs. All right, now let's do one on our own. It says you pay $22 to rent 6 video games. The store charges $4 for new games and $2 for older games. How many new games did you rent? All right, so let's do the same thing. So we'll say x is my new games and y are my old games. Okay, and so I know that x plus y equals 6 games. They sold 6 games, right? And the new games were $4, so that's 4x. And the old games were $2, and I paid $22. So there's my system of equations. So I'm going to make it bigger so I can write a little bit better. And I'm going to choose one of these variables to solve for. Doesn't matter which one. Let's see, what am I looking for? No, I'm not going to look because I'll just try to go the short way and only answer one part of the question. And I want to find the whole solution. So I'm just going to choose this one. And I'm going to solve for, let's solve for x. No, let's solve for y. I like solving for y. So when I do that, I subtract x from both sides. And I get y equals negative x plus 6. So now I can take this and plug it back into this one here for my y. So I get 4x plus 2 times negative x plus 6 equals 22. All right, so I'm going to distribute, and I get 4x minus 2x plus 12 equals 22. Combine my like terms, I get 2x plus 12 equals 22. Subtract 12 from both sides, and I get 2x equals 10. Running out of space, divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 5. 5 stands for my new games. So I sold 5 new games. What do they want us to find? How many new games? Oh, I'm not going to stop though. Even though that's what they asked us for, I am going to keep going and find the rest of this solution. And I'm going to do it the easy way. I'm just going to take my 5 and plug it into this really quick and easy solution right here. So I have 5 plus y equals 6. And I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And I get y equals 1. So our solution is 5 one for the system of equations. So he bought 5 new games and 1 old game, and we only wanted to find the new game, so he got 5 new games. And I hope that this helps.